Okay, I forgot to turn the microphone on for this video, so I'm trying my best. This is my first attempt at recording separately from video, so let's see what happens. Here we've got the new ball joints installed, and you can see that the angle is quite a bit steeper on the upper control arm. The stem is so tall now that it can't hold the boot up, so I'll have to come up with a different solution for that. So we'll actually take it in a few days to put it on an actual alignment rack and see how different it is. But to my naked eye, it appears that the wheels are at about zero camber. It might be a little bit negative, but now you can see here, if you notice on the Eibach springs, the top spring carries all the load. There's about 875 pounds on that spring. That's what it takes to collapse that spring. Now, any additional load that comes from the downforce loading from the wings, or in this case the front wing, goes right into that red spring. That red Eibach spring is rated at 1,000 pounds per inch of travel. There's a similar setup on the rear. The red spring on the rear is 700 pounds per inch of travel, and the load on the blocking spring on the rear is about 600 pounds. That's what it takes to close that spring. The rear wing can generate about 550 pounds of downforce, and the front wing the front wing can generate about 450 pounds of downforce. And it can start at about 70 miles an hour. And the feeling I would get was that the car was trying to move around, even on a level road. And like I said, as low as about 70 miles an hour. So I can only imagine what it was like at 100. But we're ready to go out and try it.